Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. In today's episode, we will start with 10 important phrases about teaching. Okay, so we'll say important phrases and keywords that are related to teachers and the teaching process. So before I start with these phrases, don't forget to enroll 100% free in my online Egyptian Arabic 101 course and download my free ebook that's included in the course. And this course is very important, gives you the background and the foundation of spoken Egyptian in easy way. You'll find the link for signing up in the first comment and also in the description box. So let's start with the first phrase. Our first phrase here is لو سمحت خد بالك. لو سمحت خد بالك. لو سمحت, it means please. Okay, so we have لو سمحت and we have also من فضلك. And خد بالك is pay attention. Okay, pay attention. خد بالك. So we usually say it if you want to warn somebody if there's a problem, or if you want to ask, in our case here, in our situation here, if you are a teacher and you are telling your student to take care or to pay attention, okay, if he or she is not concentrating with you. Okay, so لو سمحت خد بالك. خد بالك. لو سمحت خد بالك. Please pay attention. Any questions? أي أسئلة. And أسئلة here is a plural and the singular is سؤال. Question. So question, سؤال, and the plural is أسئلة. أي here is any. In English, أي. So you say أي أسئلة. أي أسئلة. Any questions? موضوعنا النهاردة. Our topic today. Okay. موضوع is topic. موضوع. Okay, so today's topic is موضوع النهاردة. Okay, so موضوع is topic and نا after موضوع is the pronoun our. Okay, موضوع نا, our topic. النهاردة is today. So موضوعنا النهاردة, today's topic is. Okay, موضوعنا النهاردة. ممكن تشرح ده. Can you explain this? ممكن is can you. Is it possible? Okay, is it possible or can you? تشرح or the verb يشرح, it means to explain. Okay, to explain. يشرح. يشرح. So the conjugation is أنا أشرح. I am explaining or I explain. أنت تشرح, you explain. أنتي تشرحي, you explain but for female. Okay, أنت تشرح for male. أنتي تشرحي for female. هو يشرح, he is explaining or he explains. هي تشرح, she explains. Okay, so when we say ممكن تشرح ده, can you explain this? ممكن تشرح الموضوع ده, can you explain this topic? So explain here, it means يشرح. يشرح. ده واجب النهاردة. And we said ده many times in our previous episodes. ده is this. Okay, so you say ده واجب النهاردة. This is today's homework. And homework, we say it in Egyptian واجب. واجب. And actually today in schools, many teachers usually say homework, okay, in English. So you know it in English, of course, and you can know the Arabic word for it, although it's not said a lot these days, but you know it anyway, which is واجب. Okay, so when a student is saying أنا عندي واجب كتير, it means I have a lot of homework. Okay, so many things to do, many subjects to cover and so on. So أنا عندي واجب, I have homework. So ده واجب النهاردة. This is today's homework. هناخد استراحة بكرة. We will take a break tomorrow. استراحة here, it means break. And استراحة here, it means also if you are on the highway and you have استراحة, okay? You have also استراحة where you go and eat something and maybe go to the toilet or have some rest during your travel. Okay, استراحة. So استراحة, it means a rest, or it means a break, or it means a pause. Okay, so هناخد استراحة بكرة. tomorrow we will have a break. We will have a pause. There will be nothing tomorrow. It may be a subject, it may be a lesson and so on. When I say هناخد استراحة بكرة, we will take a break tomorrow. من فضلك اقرأ أول فقرة. Okay? Paragraph, it means فقرة. Okay? Paragraph in English, it means فقرة in Arabic. Okay? A piece of written piece. And when I say, for example, من فضلك اقرأ أول فقرة, please read the first paragraph. Okay? من فضلك, or لو سمحت is please. Read here, اقرأ, which is the when I say the verb يقرأ is to read. Okay, read. So you say اقرأ, please read, اقرأ. Okay, so I am requesting from you something. اقرأ. Okay, اقرأ from the verb يقرأ, which is يقرأ in modern Arabic, which is to read. من فضلك اقرأ أول paragraph or أول فقرة. لو سمحت اقرأ أول فقرة. من فضلك اقرأ أول فقرة. Please read the first paragraph. Okay, so paragraph here is a very important word, which is فقرة. اقرأ from the verb يقرأ, which is read. لازم تراجع كويس قبل الامتحان. لازم here it means you must. Okay, يراجع as a verb it means to revise. Okay, أنا أراجع, هو يراجع, هي تراجع, إحنا نراجع, we revise. So to revise it means يراجع. لازم تراجع, you must revise. كويس it means good. Okay, so when I say أنا كويس, I am good, I am okay. لازم تراجع كويس, you must revise well. Okay, you must have a good revision before the exam, قبل الامتحان. Also, another very important vocabulary here for us is الامتحان, which is the exam. الامتحان, the exam. Okay, so لازم تراجع كويس قبل الامتحان, you must revise well before the exam. بكرة هكون غايب. Tomorrow I will be absent. Okay, or I shall be absent. So غايب here it means absent. Okay, حاضر it means present. Okay, so absent is غايب from غائب in modern Arabic, but we say غايب with ياء instead of in modern Arabic. غايب. Okay, so بكرة هكون غايب. Here this sentence or this phrase is in the future. In the future we add verb to be, which is يكون. We don't add it in the present tense. So أنا غايب, for example, I am absent. But when I say, for example, I will be absent, I say أنا هكون غايب. So this is the future of verb to be يكون, هكون. Okay, similar or same wise when we are, for example, likewise when we say it in the past, you say أنا كنت غايب. This is actually also the past tense of the verb to be يكون, which is كان, and the conjugation with I is كنت. So أنا كنت غايب, I was absent. أنا هكون غايب, I will be absent. أنا غايب without any verb to be in the present. أنا غايب, I am absent. Okay, so in this particular phrase, when we say بكرة هكون غايب, بكرة is tomorrow, a very important keyword as well. بكرة هكون, I will be absent. بكرة هكون غايب. Say it with me again. بكرة هكون غايب. Last sentence here, the last phrase is a negation. So it's a good also opportunity to revise negation in spoken Egyptian. When we say, for example, ما تاكلش في الفصل. ياكل is the verb to eat. ياكل. Okay. ما تاكلش is the negation, don't eat. Okay. كل is eat. Okay. كل. Imperative. When we say كل, imperative, it means eat. Please eat. I am ordering or I'm requesting. The negation is we add ما and we add sh. Okay, so ما تاكلش. ما تاكلش, because the verb here is ياكل or تاكل. انت تاكل. انت تاكل. انا اكل. Okay, انا اكل. So the negation here is تاكل. تاكل. The verb ياكل with you, conjugation with you is تاكل. انت تاكل. You male. ما تاكلش, and then we add sh at the end. So تاكل is the verb. We add ما before the verb. We add sh at the end of the verb. So it is now we get the negation. So تاكلش ما تاكلش ما تاكلش. If we want to say it to a female, we say ما تاكليش. So instead of ما تاكلش, we say ما تاكليش. This is to a female, okay? To a male is ما تاكلش. ما تاكلش في الفصل. الفصل it means the class, the classroom. الفصل. We say it in Egyptian, الفصل. Sometimes we say الفصل الدراسي, okay? فصل الدراسي. or الفصل. ما تاكلش في الفصل, don't eat during the class or in the classroom. ما تاكلش في الفصل. So as a small recap, we had important phrases in this episode and also no important keywords. Like for example, we revised لو سمحت and we revised important phrases like كويس, for example. We also have some important verbs like يقرأ, يراجع, okay? And also we have some important vocabulary like غايب, which is absent, and also الواجب, which is homework. And we also, let's say, فقرة, which is paragraph. So you know some important vocabulary now and important phrases that you can use if you are a teacher or if you are dealing with a school environment and so on. If you like this episode, give it a like and don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, just drop me a comment below. Don't forget to also to look at the description box for important links and enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course and download my free ebook there. You find the link in the comments and also in the description box. And I'm very happy to have these phrases with you and waiting for any questions that you may have. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.